Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to Cebuano101.com. I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano. So our topic for today is 4 ways to say I'm full in Bisaya. I'm very full. I'm full. Okay. So we have here. So the very basic one is busog ko. Busog ko. Busog ko. I'm full. Okay. For example, if somebody's inviting you to eat, like let's say, mga unta Judy. That means if you want to refuse the invitation respectfully, you just say, busog ko. Okay, busog ko. Salamat. The other one is, busog na ko. Busog na ko. Okay. The third one is, busog na ko uy. Okay, so there's uy at the end. That means I am already very full. Okay, the last one is busuga na ko uy. Busuga na ko uy. Okay, that means I am very full. It's like I'm gonna burst. Okay, from being full. Okay, now full is busog, and then the I here is ko, and then the na here is already. Busog na ko. I am full. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to pronounce this, guys. Please repeat after me. Busog na ko uy. Busog na ko uy. Let's review. So what is the Bisaya for full? Now, Bisaya for full is busog. Busog. The next question is, what is Bisaya for I? I've been teaching you this, I believe, in all my lessons. Okay, what is Bisaya for I? That is ko. In this case, it is ko or ako. Okay, ko or ako. Now, the next question. What is Bisaya for already? Already. The answer is na. Na. Okay? I hope you got that right, guys. What is the Bisaya for I am already full? Okay, time's up. That is busog na ko. Busog na ko. Okay, busog na ko. Now, if you are really full, so what is the Bisaya for like I'm really full? Time's up. That is busuga na ko uy. Busuga na ko uy. Okay. So usually you'll hold your tummies like, oh, busuga na ko uy. Okay. Busuga na ko uy. Now, those are the ways on how to say I am full. I'm very full. I'm very, very full. Okay. So I hope you guys will practice this one. Every time you, after eating, so you say this, busuga na ko'y, or busog ko, busog na ko. If somebody's asking or inviting you to eat, you can answer busog ko or busog na ko. Okay? That's all for today, mga higala. Daghang salamat for learning Bisaya with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel and Instagram, consider subscribing. Bye!